How to update ADP Mobile Solutions app. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So there are three of the methods with which you can update your ADP Mobile Solutions app. Let's go through it. First and foremost, you can press and hold onto your application. Head over to App Info. Then right here, to update, you can begin with the force stopping the app. What this will do is, this will forcefully update your application. So this is one of the ways to update your app. If not, you can check out from here. Then, launch a Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon. Then, search for ADP. If you find any of the update button over here, tap on the update button and leave your application for an update. Third, but not the least, tap open your phone settings. So in your phone settings, you need to navigate to apps. This option may vary depending upon the different model of mobile devices. Just navigate to apps or similar keywords. You need to tap on all apps. Then select on ADP Mobile. Then repeat the same process of force stopping it to force update the application. What you can try next is, you can also allow your system to update. For that, navigate to System Update and make sure your system is up to date so it supports the latest version of your app. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.